Before we start, here's a sneak peek. America's favorite music show celebrates the sound and values of America. Patriotic melodies, military anthems, and folk songs that built our nation. Enjoy more free videos like this. Parents, subscribe to PragerUKids.com.
Ah, shucks. Waiting for lunch is the pits. Oh.
Apple Pits, your jokes are as corny as your appetite.
Corn is good too. Yum.
Well, just look what I found buried in the back of my store.
Ooh, what's in there, Mr. Miller?
Military treasures, Abigail. Patches, pins, photographs from my family members who served in different branches of our military. Just look at this. This is my uncle's old army patch.
Ooh.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Jill.
Hi. Oh, Mr. Miller, I got the needle and thread you were asking for. Is that the patch you want me to sew back on?
It sure is. Thanks for your help, Jill.
Sure, of course. Wow. You know, things like this tell great stories about our country.
I like stories, but all of this stuff is just a bunch of old clothes and things.
No, Abigail. This is a United States Army patch, and the Army is more than 250 years old. It's the oldest branch in our military. They protect people on land all across the world.
Hey, look at this old picture of soldiers marching. Wow. Look at all those neat rows.
The Army is known for teamwork, discipline, and marching.
If I were in the Army, I'd make all the horses march in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
The Army sounds like a lot of hard work.
Well, it is hard work, but maybe this is more exciting. The Army has a special song. Attention!
First to fight for the right and to build the nation's might, and the Army goes rolling along. Proud of all we have done, fighting till the battle's won, and the Army goes rolling along. Then it's hi, hi, hey, the Army's on its way. Count off the cannons loud and strong. For wherever we go, you will always know that the Army goes rolling along.
Oh. Hey, here's something else. It's got an eagle and anchor on it and says Semper Fidelis.
Oh, Semper Fidelis is for the Marines. It's Latin and it means always faithful. And they have their own song too.
From the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, we fight our country's battles in the air, on land and sea. First to fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marine.
Nice.
The song's kind of fun, but I still don't really get what all the fuss is about.
The fuss is about being proud of the people and animals who protect our country.
I couldn't have said it better myself, Revere.
Wow! That was one loud airplane.
And perfect timing. Check out these pilot wings.
Wings? Now you're getting my attention.
Those are for the Air Force, Abigail. You know, our military also protects us in the skies.
That sounds fun! If I were in the Air Force, I'd zoom through the clouds like whoosh!
That's the flying spirit, Abigail.
But I still don't get it. All these things are so different, but they're all one military?
Yes, Abigail, they're from different parts of the military, and the parts are called branches. So when someone wants to sign up to help or serve, they can pick how they want to help.
Speaking of which, check out this cool Navy hat. Still looks ship-shape after all these years.
You know, the Navy protects us in the ocean with big boats and submarines.
When I think of the Navy, I picture myself steering a mighty ship.
Anchors aweigh, my boys, anchors aweigh. Farewell to college joys, we sail at break of day. Through our last night on shore, drink to the foam. Until we meet once more, here's wishing you a happy voyage home.
Oh! So the Army protects the land, Air Force the sky, Navy the sea.
And don't forget the Coast Guard review.
Wow! Thank you, Mr. Miller.
That looks nice on
That's
you.
so cool.
It does. You know, the Coast Guard protects our coasts and rivers, and they help rescue people during storms. And their motto is Semper Paratus, which is Latin for always ready.
I'm always ready for a song.
We're always ready for the call. We place our trust in thee. Through surf and storm and howling gale, high shall our purpose be. Semper Paratus is our guide, our fame, our glory too. To fight, to save, or fight and die, I, Coast Guard, we are for you.
Oh!
Now, can anyone guess what this last patch is? It's got a rocket and stars on it.
Rocket Force?
Star Force?
It's the Space Force. They're our newest military branch. They keep watch over space from high in the sky, higher than the clouds.
That's really high.
Ground Patrol to Barn Buddies. Come in, Barn Buddies.
Whee!
6 branches of the military.
Army
Marines!
Air Force!
Navy,
Coast Guard!
and
Space Force!
each with its own special job to keep all of us safe.
And each one with its own special song.
Wow! I had no idea how fun learning about our military could be and how much they do for us.
ta-da! Your uncle's army jacket is as good as new, Mr. Miller.
Wow, thanks, Jill. Should I display all these in my store window so everyone can learn about the military?
Yeah!
That is a great idea, and it's a great way for people to honor our heroes who have protected our country.
Well, I better get this back to the store then.
Oh, I'll help you.
Bye, Mr.
everybody.
Miller. Bye, Jill. You know what, Abigail? I think I'll branch out and learn more about the military.
Another joke, huh?
Hey, I'm just trying to be appealing. Get it? Like apples appealing? Whoa! Thank you for watching. You know we've got more episodes, right? Watch the whole series on our website. And parents, you can subscribe at PragerUKids.com.